Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy and sell financial instruments on Exness from stocks, forex, metals and crypto using Exness's trading platform. Whether you're on the web or app, I'll walk you through the process so you're ready to make your first trade safely and confidently. Then open your browser or the Exness app and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, go through the sign up and verification steps first. Exness may give you multiple account types. Select the account you wish to trade with. For beginners, standard is usually recommended. Then you just press on trade, and this opens the chart and order panel for your selected instrument. And then you just choose what you want to trade. For example, forex, stocks or indices, metals as well, crypto. Use the search field to find an instrument quickly. And then the buy, which is long, means you expect the price to go up, and sell, short, means you expect the price to go down. Click buy if you think the market will rise, or sell if you think it will fail. Then you just, before confirming, set the volume and lots, how big your trade is. Stop loss, the price to cut losses. Take profit, the price to lock gains. You can also choose market execution to trade instantly or pending to set a price level. And once everything looks good, click submit or place order. You'll see your open position in the positions or open trades tab. So that's how you buy and sell on Exness, from picking an instrument to closing a trade. Also drop a comment on what you want next, like risk management, chart basics or order types explained. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.